Here I have a Arvin AM FM radio. I'm not sure of the year of this yet, but I'm thinking 60s. This tuning though, you tune it and both dials turn, so it's kind of unique. This comes off, I have to figure out how to take it off there, but it comes off, you have to get these dials off. But yeah, that's, both of them are turning, so that's on single belt. Then we got the AM and FM selector, volume, which is on and off, I'm sure, yep, and your tone. Case, it's wood, I think it's wood, sure it looks like it. Looks like there's some paint splatters on it or something, nothing major. The other side looks okay. Let's see if there's anything on the bottom. Nothing. It's got his feet on there, rubber feet. And then the back. Okay, we got a model number 35R48. I'm not seeing a rectifier tube, so I'm thinking it's got a selenium rectifier in it. Yep, it's a PC board in there. Okay, there it is. Okay, I'll just lay this over here for a minute. See what we have. Huge speaker. Her antenna for the AM, of course. So this would be FM naturally, yes. Alright, I see a can here. And where's that rectifier? It's gotta be a selenium rectifier. Where are you? Oh, I don't see it at this point. You should see it. Okay, now, come on out. What else could be holding? Really? Something else is holding it though. Well, there she goes. Some on the top. No. Should pull straight out. There's that clip. And then out from the front. Should be in this general area here where that power goes in. Oh, I see. It's a little rectifier there, I think. Is that it? Okay, one there. It's not a selenium. Oh, a diode. Should be another one. And maybe that doesn't have no armor on it. Yeah, I see it. Back there is just a little selenium rectifier. Not a selenium rectifier diode type of crap. Something that I would put in there. I will try to get it all the way back out of there. That means taking these knobs back off. We'll light them up. Clean this hole out in this one. Alright. That is done. Get away from me. There we are. And this goes back. String action. Like that. It moves that selector switch. Well, here's the 3 caps that I put in place of the can. And I put this safety cap in. And then, ouch. And then back in here, you'll see that bluish look. That's radio type. It had an axle in there. That's 4.7. I needed 4. Good enough. These are spot on. And I did change the resistor back in there, that 33 ohm. All the other ones look good. I tied up some wires here because I'm afraid they're getting that dial cord. And what else did I do? Yeah, I had to pull this plate off to get to some soldering joints. And this here, then I put that bolt through here, through bolt in there to hold that tuner. As you can see, it's grounded right here on this big pad trace thing. And another one over here, I put a bolt, through bolt. It had a metal screw in there and it just stripped out. I don't know. So I put a through bolt through that one. What else did I do? Oh, this is the negatives right here. Because the can had 3, well actually 2. This one right here is not, one of these is not doing nothing, but I soldered it nevertheless. That one. This one right here. At this end, it's just the anchor point for this. It wasn't, but here and here it had to be grounded. So I grounded it and insulated it so it doesn't touch, short out. This here, once I get it in spot, I can get under here and solder that back in right here. Because it was soldered.
Now, how did you do it? How did you kill him? No, I did not. He tried to kill me. To get the formula, that's why you killed him. I tried to force him, but he wouldn't tell me. He wouldn't tell me. He made the car go faster and faster.
Yeah, it works.
And then the car went over. No, wait, Stefan. You say he didn't give you the formula? No. But I am content. You hear me? I am content because you and your country,
all right,
you don't have it either. He wrecked the car. He's dead. He can't give it to you. Nobody knows it. Wrong, Stefan. What? Because Hoffman has given it to me.
All right, we'll try FM.
He has? Yes.
I gotta go.
Because he didn't have anybody to go with.
Dad jokes rule. So take a moment. It's as easy as going to fatherhood.gov. Brought to you by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services and the Ad Council.
That's really funny.
And now, a tale well calculated to keep you in.
All right.
Listen now to Please Believe Me, starring Joe and Robert Ross.
I'm gonna clean that socket out. All right, it's the socket here.
Living room.
Yeah, okay. It works. It's not the antenna, it's this stupid socket in here. Just 4 items. It's an easy fix. Easy fix. Tucking with my usual hot glue on those to make them sturdy. I thought, well, somebody sticks their hand out, they get to B minus. Too bad. They can get it anywhere in here from the rectifier. Just stick your hands in there. So yeah, let me get this one out of here, and I want to clean the inside and the sockets. I know it was a problem. And touch up them pins on that tube. And other than that, it's good as gold. This set of neon lamp in here, but that don't look like neon to me. Neon will not read on continuity. Let's just see something. Unless somebody changed it. No, this is a 44. That's a regular incandescent. That's not, no, because neon won't read. Neon won't read. Somebody might have changed it back because it showed a neon in the print. Well, I'm not on the print. Yeah, on the schematic diagram, so.
I don't understand.
AM is fine. It's just tracking nicely. On the dial, FM is off. It's got to have an FM alignment. I got it at 100 megahertz. Here's 100. Should be right here. So I have to adjust or do an alignment on the FM.
But I saw it! Get him out of here. Look,
This Arvin is done. I did partial FM alignment, but not a complete.
He never paid his rent.
It didn't really need an alignment on the AM because it was just the 3-section capacitor, another electrolytic, a line capacitor, and a 33 ohm. That was 44 ohm. But this is AM.
Are they all gone?
Yes, they're gone. You can come out now, dear.
Okay.
It's too bad
Now
they
we're going
unbalance
FM.
so easily.
Another tale well calculated to keep you in suspense.
Back to AM. I'm going to have it on 900, I think.
This is the CBS Radio Network.
And that's AM at 900. So they're lined up pretty good. So that's